Hey guys, good morning, good morning. It's a Thursday morning here in Abu Dhabi, guys. Welcome here in the Patriot Bike Repairs. See guys, too much four wheel drives and hoo is all for sale. Yamaha, Cobra. All right. Okay. Yamaha RCR, yes. Okay guys, this one's very nice. Sharp rush. Ooh. Oh my god, I like this. Hey Shahid, how are you? What you are doing?
I go work
For what bike this one you are doing?
Cobra 220.
Cobra?
Yes, Cobra 220.
Cobra 220, yeah. This one Cobra. This one four wheel drive. No, not four wheel. Or two wheel. Guys, this Shahid, the owner and the best mechanic here in Musapa. What is one?
M3.
M3. So this shop is located in Musapa M3. If you want some repairs and parts, just come here in the Patriot Bike Repairs. Okay? See, we have a lot of bikes, four wheel bikes. Oh, what's this? Kayo. Oh, Shahid, this Kayo no sell? No. And I have also, Shahid also have this RC. What is what? Suzuki RMZ. 10,000 dirham. And 2012 model. If you want this one, just comment below, guys. And this one, what is Yamaha? Yamaha. What is Yamaha? Yamaha gear. 110cc. And you have also Dio. Oh, Dio is very famous in Philippines. So if you want this, guys, just let me know. Send comment below, guys. And we have also Honda MTX R. Is so water cooled. Oh, small engine. Shahid, it's about MTX. You're selling also? How much is it? MTX?
This 2.5.
2.5.
Yeah.
But this one running?
Yeah.
It's running condition. 2-stroke MTS. 2-stroke MTS, guys. Oh, old model. And I have Dio. This Dio. Right. Hi guys, let's see. Shahid is doing repairing the Cobra 180cc, right? 220cc. What's the problem with this one?
Self motor.
Huh?
Self motor.
What's your motor?
Self motor.
Starter.
Starter, yeah.
Hey, see that one? What is that? This one you.
I make clean.
How about this red one? What the name of this one?
That one, Uber, email.
But what's the problem with this one?
This problem was starting.
If only I can send to,
Fuel pump problem.
yeah, guys. If I can send the Philippines this one, I will send. But how to send this one? Very big. Oh, for desert. Shahid, this new motor, huh?
It's new, but this need open no coming because it's different.
Yeah.
This here to see here.
There's some sand inside. See, it look clean. It look
No,
clean.
need clean, but need check.
Oh,
I need check.
my God. Need to clean.
I need check coming one.
So it seem like Raptor style.
Yeah.
You have Banshee. Too much looking for Banshee engine in Philippines. They will make for racing. You have only engine. No, full, only full. Ah. Okay, I see. He's fixing the starter. So guys, if you have also, you need also some second-hand parts. If you let me know, if you can send me that one, and I will check here if available. So guys, we have also parts here. One parts here. It's inside the room. Battery. What is it? Carburetor and cylinder head. Oops. All right. Say this. I don't know. This Banshee engine. Too much love this one. I don't know. This one more power, right? They are using for racing also in the desert. Banshee engine.
Yeah.
I have one Banshee way back to 2012. You give me before that one. But now it's not using more. I'm not using because I'm busy with you know, big bikes, riding big bikes, right? Woohoo! Scooter, electric scooter. Wow. Hey Shade, I want to see that one starting. Yeah. This problem is just no kick, right? This is a problem for only electric. You cannot use this one. You can like pushing like that.
You have to also.
Ah. This is Banshee. See? It's Banshee. Ooh, 400 cc. Ah, there's a key. Hi guys, this Cobra also electric, and you can also use the kickstart. This one. Ooh. Yeah. Hey guys, if you need more bikes, just come to M3 Shahid Patriot Bike. I will show you more bikes. See, Raptor, Polaris, and four-wheel. It's a four-wheel, 4-cylinder. Oh my god, what is it? It's a 4-cylinder. Oh, Raptor. Alright. Guys, so binibenta rin ito. Itong Yamaha Majesty 250. Binibenta sa akin ito. Kaso napakalaki naman. Paano iuwi yan? Start!
No, this won't all open. Too much trouble.
Whatever. Oh, put W40. W40. Air.
Too much.
Vice grip. Nice grip. Oof.
I know this one broke.
Oof. Broken finish. What you will do now? Hey, hey. How you will do?
This good.
What you will do now? It's broken now.
What the other side?
You have?
Yeah, no, this one, no good side. This problem.
The phone is broken inside. Hey, broken inside.
This one no problem, no need this one.
Alright guys, what else we will show you? This small motorcycle there, big wheels, big tires, new tires. So guys, kung gusto nyo mga content, mga parts lang, meron din tayong mga parts kung gusto nyo. Prototype ba? Chad, is there anyone at the top? Anyone? Anyone there? No. Someone there?
Up, no, anyone.
Go there, up, second floor, and I will show you those bikes. Oof. Yeah. 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 Ay, marami pa rin dito sa taas na nakatambak. Ito yung gusto ko sa ano eh. Itong KTM na to eh. Oh. KTM. Kaya lang. Dad, what's the problem with this KTM? What problem? Only water mixing? Oil? Ah, water pump. Is there a kick? Start. Kick start. Kick start. Carburetor type. Right. KTM. Hold on. Hi guys, the videos will be until here only. So for more videos I will post later. And okay. Hey. Okay, say hi, and now the video will last now. Right. Hey guys, dito na lang tayo. Hanggang dito na lang. Yung bang video natin sa sunod na lang ulit, okay? Alright. Let me see. Oh. This is the Kuya, where's the other remote control? Only one, this one? Only one? It's still there? Not remove?
Someone help me.
Oh. I'm sure this one finished now. Already bent or broken. I'm sure. Okay guys, ito yung sinasabi ko na kan. Gusto kong kunin sa nayan nyo, baka 5. Meron pa isa. Hi guys, bye bye.